Hi, I'm Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba AP-655. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe and enable notifications to stay up to date with all the latest content. The Aruba 650 series is the latest range of Wi-Fi 6E capable access points from Aruba. These access points are capable of operating in the newly opened 6 GHz spectrum in addition to the traditional 2.4 and 5 GHz. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here, you have your startup guide and safety, warranty, and compliance documentation. AP-655 is the flagship model AP, which is reflected in its size and weight. There is nothing else in the box. On the front, you can see the removable sticker with your serial number and MAC addresses. At the bottom, there are 4 LED status lights, indicating system status and the status for each of the 3 radios. Over here, you have a Kensington lock socket. And at the top, there's a USB port which can be used to connect downstream devices like a 4G modem. Let's turn the AP around. At the back, you can see the pre-installed base of the mounting bracket. This mounting bracket is the same one used by the Aruba AP-500 series. The top part of the mounting brackets are separately orderable SKUs. Check out our AP-500 series indoor mounting brackets video for more details. There's a micro USB console port. You will need a separately orderable proprietary console cable in order to use it. In here is the reset button. You will need a pin to reach it if you ever need to use it. Here is the power adapter socket. Do note that the power adapter is not included with the AP. You will have to order it separately if required, but it's easier to power the unit using PoE. There are 2 Ethernet ports recessed on the side, making it possible to mount the unit more flush with the ceiling. Both ports, E0 and E1, are smart rate, which means the AP is capable of supporting up to 5 GB data rate and up to Class 6 PoE at the same time. You can configure these ports in a link aggregation group and connect across 2 separate switches to provide additional throughput and hitless failover for both data and power. Please note that this AP requires Class 6 PoE in order to function without any restrictions. Alternatively, you can combine 2 Class 4 PoE connections across E0 and E1 to power it up fully. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library at phoenixpro.club. If you found the video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching!